In today's video, I will walk you through how to show a cash flow report in Xero. From the top navigation bar, click on Reporting. This will open a drop-down menu with different reporting options. From this menu, select All Reports to access the full list of reports available in Xero. Once the All Reports section is open, locate the cash flow report in the list. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct report, then click on Cash Flow Report. Xero will now generate the cash flow report using the financial data already recorded in your account. After the report loads, the cash flow information will appear on your screen. The report shows the movement of money in and out of the business over the selected period. It includes information covering operating activities, investment activities, and financing activities. If you want to adjust the report, you can use the available customization settings. These settings allow you to change the date range and adjust the report according to the information you want to review. To change the reporting period, use the date range options and select the period you need. You can also explore the available settings to add specific categories that match your reporting requirements. Once you've made the required adjustments, review the report to make sure the selected settings and information are correct. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.